Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we always look on the first of the month about the market share of Windows 10, 11, see how it goes. We had some interesting surprise about Windows 10 gaining momentum and Windows 11 dropping, but we're going to look at something interesting for the January numbers. So today's February the 1st, 2026. And if we look at the numbers, this is the desktop Windows version market share worldwide. Now there's a big lead for Windows 11, 62.16%. Windows 10 now only 36%. Big difference. Now, this is where it gets interesting. We saw that in October was at 55. Windows 11 was at 55. But then it went down to 53. And then it went down to 50. And then we got to jump back to 62. This tells me that for some reason, the numbers here are skewed. They're not correct. I think what the curve should be is this was probably still going up, because to reach 62.16, it means that Windows 11 jumped 12 points in the last month, which doesn't really go with what the graphics telling us. You know, we always say that stat counter numbers are very approximate. So I think that it never really went down here. I think it continued growing, but something just modified or made those numbers wrong. So that would probably explain also a billion PCs at 62.16%. That would correlate with Microsoft 1 billion computers on Windows 11, 1 billion devices. And by the way, there's also something interesting in here that you have to count, is that in the Windows 10 numbers, Xbox and other Windows 10 devices were in that number. On Windows 11 devices, it's only computers. So this also makes Windows 11 kind of grow faster in reality than Windows 10 did in its first 4 or 5 years. So this is very interesting, and I think that it surprises a lot of people, and just shows that the perception and the reality is different, and that these numbers now show it. And of course, Windows 10 was at 44.7 here. It's at 36.03 here. Well, that's, almost 10% drop. So once again, the numbers here, I think, had a problem. There were something made the reporting wrong, because now these numbers actually show that finally this growth here probably continued, and that this drop here was probably continuing to drop also. It never did grow. Windows 10 never grew in those 2 months, and Windows 11 didn't go down in those 2 months. That would be more logical, that the graph is probably skewed. So high numbers for Windows 11. It's really now a majority of PCs. And at 36%, I expect that by the end of this year, we'll be in the mid-20s, even maybe low 20s in Windows 10. We'll see how many people continue using it. But I would think these numbers are closer to reality than what we had reported in the last couple of months. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.